Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence. You know, I've been getting some questions and concerned about where I get my chain link fence material from, and I told you guys I get it from Security Contracting Services out here near the airport here in Portland. This is the big main guy here. He's Nathan with SCS. You know, and nothing gets past him.
Thank you for that.
So what is it that you kind of do here, Nathan? I mean, how many fence companies do you service here?
We service about 60 contractors, contractor only. We don't sell directly to the public. Just try to make things easier on our contractors with our experience and our crew. So we just try to make things easier to get the jobs done so it looks right for you, the customer.
Thank you, I appreciate that. How long have you been in the business then, Nathan?
I've been in since 1991, 15 years as a contractor, and now 11 years as a wholesaler. So.
See, that's why I come here for my fence material, because these guys are right on top of it, man. As a matter of fact, I got one of their guys loading up my material right now, you know. And so Nathan, I want to thank you for all you do for my little fence company here, Fix-A-Fence LLC, you know. And if there's let's see, if there's any advice you could give any aspiring contractor, what would you give them? What would you say?
Keep your word, don't overcommit, and follow through.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. Good job. All right, guys, keep smiling. Have a great day. I hope I answered some of your questions for you here at Fix-A-Fence LLC. Thanks for watching the YouTube channel. Anyway, so that was the interview with Nathan, head honcho here at SCS. And I want to take you just through this yard here, man. Take a look at all this chain link that these guys produce. I mean, look at all that. And they got all the rail over there, you know, all the good stuff here, and they cut their posts in the back, you know, and then they do all their welding in here for the gates that I get. That's the main welder right there. His name's Jimmy. Right there, baby. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys another little quick show of where I get all my fence material out here in Portland, Oregon, out near the airport. SCS, Security Contracting Services. All right, you guys have a great one. Keep smiling.